Did you miss out on the 10K club for ENS domains? Don't worry about it. In today's KuCoin DigiDive, we're going to be going over hiENS4, the fractionalized NFT from Fracton Protocol. If you guys are ready to go in and get started trading with this coin or want to participate, there's a link in the description below so you guys can get 20% off trading fees. Let's go and get into it. First off, what is ENS Domains? ENS Domains is a decentralized naming service. This can be from wallets, websites, payment links, you name it. There have already been 1.67 million different names created, as well as 505 different integrations. And there are 482,000 unique individual owners. This is how you can create decentralized websites, one name for all of your addresses. So say for example, you got a bunch of random wallet addresses and someone's like, yeah, can I send you money? And you're like, yeah, you send it to 0x5346BH73920. No. For me, I would be able to say something like drakeondigital.eth. Now, if you wanted to create a decentralized website, you can do this. Vitalik.eth. This can create your own decentralized website. Instead of doing a .com, you now have your own ENS name as your website. Now, if you have a standard DNS domain, you can actually import this to your ENS domain. You can actually import this name to ENS. They have a step-by-step guide right here, and this is on the ENS Domains website. These are a couple wallets and protocols in the ecosystem. You got Coinbase Wallet, Rainbow Wallet, Trust Wallet, MyCrypto, Bitcoin. The names go on and on and on. Same thing with the decentralized apps. You have tons of different decentralized apps integrating with ENS Domains. They can basically look at ENS Domains similar to the way you would look at different websites like KuCoin.com, Zillow.com, Aave.com. You guys get the point. Any of these decentralized dApps and protocols can now have their ENS name as the website. And they can also use these for the payment links. So instead of saying, hey, if you want to support our DAO or our protocol, you can send it to this and this address. Instead, it's just, hey, if you want to support Aave, you send it to aave.eth. And your .eth address actually works for multiple chains, so it's not just on the Ethereum network. If you guys would like to learn more about ENS domains, make sure you check out the main website at ens.domains. Let's go and explain a little more about this 10K club. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys a couple of ENS domains. This is 418.eth. This is 9123.eth. And as you can see, the different listed prices, they're pretty astronomical. This one's 848.eth. This is 6000.eth. And I know you're saying like, Drake, chill out, dude. These are just listing prices. This does not mean that's what it's selling for. And yeah, I agree with you. But then you have something like this. 555.eth bought for 55.5 ETH. This basically means someone shelled out about $150,000 for this ENS domain. And you can see here they even wrote an article about the 4-digit ENS domain spike. This was back in April 30th. There are a lot of people interested in this 10K club, mainly around its exclusive Discord. And the reason why Fracton Protocol created the hiENS token is due to this price entry barrier. And if you want to learn more about Fracton Protocol and how it works, make sure you check out some of the previous KuCoin DigiDives we've done on this project. If you guys want to participate in the hiENS4 sale, there is a limited sale of 123 million of these tokens. How the fractionalization would work with this is one ENS NFT is worth 1 million hiENS tokens. Right now, the initial total supply is 127 million tokens. 123 million is the subscription amount, with 4 million being given as free rewards. The subscription period is going for 2 days, from August 16th to August 18th. So if you guys want to get started, links in the description below so you guys can participate in this trading opportunity. There is going to be a hard cap of 200,000 hiENS per person and a minimum price of a quarter of a penny. This is a ERC20 token, and this is a first come first serve basis. So when all these are sold, they are all gone. Now, just a refresher on why you would prefer something like this instead of just purchasing the actual NFT. Well, as I showed you guys, the prices are astronomical, and if some people wanted to get into it, it's a high cost entry. So with the hiENS token, it's actually a lower barrier to entry. Second is the centralized experience. Some people are nervous about the decentralized on-chain process, and they barely even know how to fund Ethereum onto their wallet. They just go to OpenSea, they see a thing called Connect MetaMask, and they buy the NFT and it's stored on the blockchain. They can't view their NFT, they don't know what they're doing. So this allows you to have a centralized experience to where you actually have someone holding your hand now. Now, third is more liquidity. You now have a tradable token instead of one NFT. So if I had this ENS domain and I wanted to swap it or sell it, I would have to sell the whole thing. It's all or none. But let's say, for example, I bought some at a fraction of a penny, which is 0.0025 USDT. I can just sell 1,000 of the shares and keep 1,000 of the other tokens if I wanted to. Whereas with the NFT, I got to sell the whole piece. So buying at 0.0025 USDT and it goes up to 0.1 USDT per pop, well, I just made a multiple X on my profit, and I can now sell some of it and keep some of it as a moon bag, being that it has more liquidity. So again, if you want to learn more about Fracton Protocol, as well as this NFT subscription, I'll leave links in the description below so you guys can check them out. And let's go and hit you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 12, verses 15. The ways of a fool seems right to them, but the wise listen to advice. Be wise, listen to the smarter people. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And again, if you wanted to get started trading, links in the description below so you can get 20% off trading fees. Check out some of our previous videos here, and there. We'll see you guys in the next one.